time since I had my last polish, but I still have lost my shine. We've only got one night to live, so why not find more time to play? Where did everyone go? Are they hiding? Should I seek them? Why am I all alone? Oh no. My heart has sprung a leak. It was because it was broke. Now I'm sour. But the rain is good for the flowers. My petals fell and then I felt it click. What makes me tick? That you got off no trouble. I'm ready to your bubble. Cause I'm no toy. But boy oh boy, how bad you had me played. I'm fixing to patch up myself. No sticking me back on my shelf. This lonely doll is going out. Pinocchio insane. Geppetto change the belongings lately. I put the strings wrong with you hanged me. Now your pretty puppet isn't so ideal. Cause all you've ever been enamored with was a girl who was perfectly inanimate. So I flipped it till I could make it awfully real. Now you wonder where did all the love go? Like I'm the one who lost it. If it was a puzzle, you'll never be the one to solve it. This all wrapped up. Playing house just makes me sick. I've been wound up, broken down, but that was how I found out just what makes me tick, tick, tick. You'd better tell me so many other of me. Are you even keeping count? Cause you lied to me, said that I'm unique, and now you've sold me out. If it's a game and I'm your toy, let me play rough like the boys. What you made of? Come and find out when I take all your insides out. Forget plastic and silicone, they're ineffective next to flesh and bone. But when affection's manufactured, the byproduct is blood test. That's just what a sacrifice is. Remember that life is priceless. So pick up the knife, you know it's a slice. Now no one has to wonder where did all the love go? I guess I must have lost it, cause it can be cutthroat. Especially when it's unwanted. Does it keep this doll all locked up? Playing house just makes me sick. I've been wound up, broken down, but that was how I found out just what makes me tick, tick. Your touch was once so warm, it's gotten colder. We don't play anymore. Is it just because we're older? You've started me long enough. I'm hungry for a hug. Can't stop my beating heart, not even where did all the love go? We rolled it up and tossed it, wasn't worth the trouble. Not like it was surviving nothing. When you keep these dolls all locked up, playing house just makes us sick. We've been wound up, broken down, but that was how we found out just what makes us tick, tick,
So that's what the Smiley Critter's biggest fans as the big girls. So the butterfly room is only for big girls. And what the big girls wanted to do is to make their own dresses, cosplay as the sweet Smiley Critters, and the girls can dance whenever they like.
playing house just makes me sick. I've been wound up, broken down. That was how I found out. Don't you keep this doll all locked up? Playing house just makes me sick. So, you'll never be the one to solve it. Don't you keep this doll all locked up? Playing house just makes me sick. I've been wound up, broken down, but that was how I found out. Now you wonder where did all the love go? that could make